Guys, we have been dealing with kinds of noun. We have already seen proper noun, common noun, and collective noun. Now we are going to see material noun. What do you mean by material noun? Material noun denotes the names of metals and non-metals in the form of solid, liquid, and gas. Material noun denotes the names of metals and non-metals in the form of solid, liquid and gas. திட, திரவ, வாயு வடிவில் உள்ள உலோகமல்லாத அலோகங்களை குறிப்பதுதான் உலோகப் பெயர் என்று அழைக்கப்படுகிறது. So material noun denotes the names of metals and non-metals in the form of solid, liquid and gas. Okay. So, let us take metals first. Metals first. They used to say ulogam, alogam, needi, anidi. When you use the word a before a particular word, it becomes automatically an opposite one. So like that, ulogangal, alogangal, metals and non-metals. So let us first of all deal with some metals at least, okay? Now it is aluminium, okay? And then brass, okay? And then bronze, okay? And then copper, okay? And then gold, okay? And then iron, okay? And then lead, okay? And then mercury, okay? And then silver, okay? And then zinc. See, as we are, if you want to have a knowledge about material noun, you should know at least the names of at least 10 metals. So that is why I am giving these metals to your for your kind attention. So பாருங்க, aluminium, okay, bronze, copper, once again, and then gold, iron, and then lead, mercury, and then silver, and then zinc. Mercury, metal in the form of liquid, okay? So, material noun. So, metals, I have given you 10 metals now. Now, let me go into, let me take into account non-metals. Non-metals in the form of solid, liquid and gas. Solid, liquid and gas. See? Diamond, platinum, okay? And then coal, okay? Clay, okay? Stone, okay? And then sugar, okay? Rice, okay? Grains. These are all material noun in the form of solid form, I can say. And then liquid form, to say, if you want to take into liquid form of non-metals means, you can say about water, blood, acid, alkali, okay? And then even juice, can say. Likewise, gaseous form, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, air, fragrance, breeze. These are all things. These are all non-metals in the form of gas. So, likewise, you have to develop your own words. So, in chemistry, we are having lot of metals. But in English, we can say metals and non-metals can be grouped only like this. So, material noun is a name which is given to names of metals and non-metals in the form of solid, liquid and gas. Okay, my dear. In that I have told you some metals and I have pointed out to you some non-metals. You have to make yourself thorough with the different metals. If you want to make yourself rather thorough with the material noun. This material noun can be called as uncountable nouns. They can be called even as concrete nouns to some extent. Okay. So you need not go for concrete and noun and uncountable nouns and all. You need not go. So in English, they have clearly mentioned that the kinds of nouns are proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, and abstract noun. In that, I have dealt with material noun before you. You please take into account the definition as well as the example, and then afterwards you can write your own metals also. You might have been rather thorough in chemistry. You may be having so many metals. You can make use of that. See, the usage of nouns in abundance will make you, or the collection of nouns that you are gathering in your mind, in your word bank, that is vocabulary, will definitely convert you into a very good reader, writer, and speaker, for which they are the raw materials for these actions, for reading, writing, and speaking. Okay, my dear. Thank you very much.